Every time you hop onto YouTube or Instagram or just about anywhere online, you get these advertisements of apps that tell you how good they will be in giving you a better banking experience, and they will get you your paycheck early and all this good stuff that you would be happy to hear, right? And one of these apps or accounts happens to be the current account. And I, for one, have seen this advertisement almost everywhere for quite some time now. And so today I'll be breaking down this app and telling you guys what I was able to find out about it. So the main points from the current card ads are that it's an app that you can download and manage your account from your phone. It comes with a debit card that you can use just about anywhere. There's no minimum balance required. Gas holes are also released immediately. If you notice, most times you use a card at the pump, they will put a hold of probably $100 on your card until the purchase gets settled in a day or two. And also, you can get your paycheck up to 2 days earlier, which is the biggest point. Now, with this app or card, you also get a routing number and an account number, just as you would with any bank account. So now you're probably wondering if it's all good and should you actually be getting this current card. Now, just before we get into this review, if you're new here and you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Ian, and on this channel I talk about making money, investing, and personal finance. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to this channel and turning on notifications so you can see new videos that I post here. And guys, I post videos here every single day. Now, for all my returning subscribers, thanks for tuning into the channel once again, and don't forget to drop me a comment down below of what you think about this current account or debit card. So the current card comes at a cost of $0 if you want the basic plan. Now, this card actually has two plans. Now, you have the basic plan, which is free, and then you have the premium plan, which costs $4.99 per month, which is a smart way of really charging you $5, but making it sound more like it's $4. Now, there are some differences between the basic account and the premium account, right? I mean, you pay for one. Now, do you really want the premium account? Well, here's what's included in the basic account. So in the basic account, you get no overdrafts or hidden fees, no minimum balance, free cash withdrawals, tools for money management, mobile check deposit, send your money instantly for free, and 24/7 member support. Now, in the premium account, you get all these features plus faster direct deposits, a premium card, and gas holes instantly refunded. Now, the problem now is that this all sounds a bit vague, right? What's a premium card? And when they say faster deposits, just how fast are we talking here when compared to the speed on the basic card? Now, I searched all over their website to find this information, but I couldn't, and that's all I could find, so I had to go and do some more digging before I could actually get some more useful information, right? Now, of course, I did this because I needed to find out how good this card or account was in the event that it was something that I would be interested in or something that I would need to get as well. However, guys, I was unsuccessful in getting any more information, right? So as for how much faster the premium card works and the gas holes, we can't really see. Now, after looking at all the features of the free account and the premium account, I can't see why I would get this card and go for the premium account. Now, if any of you guys watching here actually have this card or know someone who has this card, please comment down below right now and let us know if you know what their experience was with the free or premium account, and also if people actually get the paycheck 2 days earlier, because what I did find out online were reviews of people complaining about the app and saying it wasn't working as promised. And don't take my word for it, guys, right? Just go and Google it yourself and look up the reviews in the App Store. All the information is there of people who use this card and use this service. Now, the only reason I would personally pay $4.99 for the premium account would be to get the paycheck 2 days earlier, because all the other features are almost the same as with the free card, but I have one issue with this, right? Now, here's the thing. When you think about it, you can never really get your paycheck early. I mean, except for the first time. So let's say, for instance, you get paid every Friday, right? But you're always needing or wanted or wishing you could have the money a day or even 2 days before. Now, Friday to Friday is 7 to 8 days apart, depending on how you look at it or how you count it. So if you get your paycheck early next Wednesday, then you would get it 2 days truly early because you got it this Friday, and then next Wednesday would be 5 days away. So you'd be really getting it 2 days early. But then your company pays you every Friday. So if they give you your paycheck 2 days early forever, then it just changes your pay date from every Friday to every Wednesday moving forward. Guess what else, guys? I just made another discovery. Wednesday to Wednesday is actually also 7 to 8 days depending on how you count it, just like Friday to Friday is. I mean, wow. So for that reason, getting your paycheck 2 days early isn't a big deal because after getting it early once, you won't be actually getting it early again. Now, that's how I look at it. So if I wanted to actually use this card or this account, I would stick with the free one just for that reason. Now, apart from the early paycheck, they will give you a premium card. What that means is anybody's guess. I'm thinking it's a card that looks different from the regular one, and maybe it's made of titanium or something, or it's a black card, but I still wouldn't pay $4.99 a month for having a special looking card because the card without money in the account is useless. So again, I wouldn't want it for that feature. Now, Current. If you're watching this video, or if anyone who works at Current is watching this video, here's what I have to say. I think that you guys should do one of two things because the competition offers much more. So one is you can offer less features in the basic account because, as I said, there isn't much difference between the basic account and the premium account. So people like me won't spend the $4.99 per month, which means you lose revenue there and you don't make any money. Now, either that or you add some more perks to the premium account because, again, as I said, I won't pay $4.99 just for some special looking card or for getting my gas hose released instantly. And here's another thing, right? Most people have credit cards, and even if a person only has one single credit card, usually that card will have a limit of over $100, right? So it's going to be at least several $100s. Now, if I purchase fuel and there's a hold of $100 for 2 days, it's not as bad because there's still available credit to use for the next 2 days, and most people don't purchase fuel every 2 days, right? It's more like every week on average or once per week on average. Again, the 2-day early paycheck is not real in my eyes, and it doesn't work out like that. Now, there are a bunch of other similar cards and apps which will give you the same amount of features except the 2 days early paycheck, and then they are free, and I talk about them a lot here. So I think that there are better options as it is right now. What do you guys think though? Drop me a comment down below and let me know if you have the Current card or if you were considering getting it, or will you just go with another option that is totally free. Now, if you're wondering how they have a free account and a premium account and how they can operate with the free account, what happens is that they will make money from the balance on your card that you aren't using, so that's how they're able to offer free accounts. So you and all the other people that have the account or have the card and all the money that are on these cards that's unused, they will use it to gain interest on this money, so that's how that works. Now guys, I have nothing against Current, right? All I do here is find ways to make money, save money, and spend money while getting the best absolute value. And I feel like I should tell you guys when there are better options available. Now, hopefully they can improve on these areas, and I'm sure they can be on par with the rest of the competition if they do so. So overall, it's an okay app, and if the free account and card works well, then I would have no problems with it. But right now, as it currently is, I wouldn't sign up for the premium account because I just don't think that it's worth it. Now, this card has some features that no one else has, right? And it allows you to give your kids cards so you can send them money just for being your kids, right? Or let's say, for instance, you want to reward them for achieving something good, then you can instantly send money to their card and they can go and spend using their cards. And this kind of gets them involved in their finances from early and helps growing them into being financially independent and responsible at the same time. And also you can monitor their spending, especially useful if you have younger kids. So the Current card does have a lot of good features, and some of which you can't really find anywhere else right now. Now guys, as I said before, you don't have to take my word for it, right? You don't have to take my word for anything. go to the App Store and read the reviews, or go online and read some reviews or ask people that have had the card to see what they tell you. Now, I hope this video was very helpful and I was able to provide some value to you guys. And if you like this kind of content, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification icon so you can get updated on when I post new videos here, which is at least once per day. Now, in addition to that, be sure to share this video anywhere you think it may be able to reach more people and also help someone out as well. If you're a new viewer or subscriber here on the channel, be sure to check out my other videos on high yield savings accounts, checking accounts, investments, credit cards, and ways to make money. Also guys, I've left a couple links down below to free stuff and free cashback offers, so be sure to check the links down below in the description for all kinds of free stuff, even free stocks, right? Once again guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. All the best, and until tomorrow, adios.